Alright, so if you are an Android user and you're using Android Auto, well, this video is for you, so keep watching it, because in this video we're gonna look at AA Browser. This is an app that basically allows you to browse the web directly on Android Auto, and yeah, technically you can watch YouTube, but it's not gonna work when the car is in motion. It's using the GPS data. Well, kind of know if the vehicle is in motion, and it will just kick you out of the app. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to set it up, how it works, and what you can actually do with it. So let's get right into it. We can start either by typing AA Browser in the search bar there, or you can just follow the link from the video description. Once we are on this page, we're gonna scroll down all the way to the releases section and tap on the latest release actually, and then you're gonna find the APK extension file. That's what you want to tap on, and then tap download. Now if you never sideloaded apps before, it may not work right out of the box. You may have to go in the phone settings and allow installs from unknown sources. That way you can install this app like I just did. Then it should install right away. Once we've done that, there is another step we have to follow just to make sure the app is going to show up in the Android Auto. Those are the instructions, but I'm going to walk you through real quick. We're going to head to the settings and search for Android Auto, and all the way to the bottom should be the version section. Here we want to tap on it 10 times. That will enable the developer settings for Android Auto, which is listed under these 3 dots on the top side of that header bar. And then once we are here, we're looking for the unknown sources. We want to make sure that is checked. And then another setting or thing to check before we head to Android Auto is we want to make sure the app is listed under the customized launcher, and it should be listed here, and we want to make sure that is checked as well. If that is checked and everything checks okay, the app should show on Android Auto, and from here, you know, the fun things begin. There is YouTube, there is Google. We're gonna try the YouTube, which is the web version of the YouTube, which allows you to sign in and have your favorite subscriptions and all that. And just like I said in the beginning, the only thing is that you can't watch anything while driving, and that is a good thing if you think about it. You don't want anyone distracted on the roads, but other than that, I think it's a cool app, and I think it's worth trying. Should be pretty safe in terms of security. It does not ask for any permissions, which is a good thing. And for whoever has any doubts about the security of the app basically is open source. Anyone can see what's in there, but so far there have been no reports on anything suspicious. And this is the web browser part of the app. It's actually pretty cool that we can do this on the screen without any dongles or any adapters. As you can see, the screen looks or the text looks a little bit big. Its own settings have a scale app adjustment, but it doesn't work really well, so I just stick with the default setting, because this is the one that looks the best. On other cars may look better than others, really depends on the screen orientation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any trouble with this app or any questions, drop them down in the comment sections and we'll figure it out together. I'll see you in the next video.